Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Do you have a promo code that's not working on Uber Eats? Don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix this issue and make sure your discount gets applied. So guys, of course, download the Uber app, and as you can see, we are now taken to the home screen. From here, just go to your account. You will see your different options in here and stuff like that. After that, from here, my friends, click on promotions. And as you can see, we can now enter our promo code and use it. From here, check if your promo is listed and still valid. Many codes only work on specific restaurants or orders above a certain amount. Also, some are first-time user only. After that, guys, you can try and remove conflicting promos. So in here, you will have promos. I don't have any because I don't use this service. It's just a dummy account. Remove any unused or expired promos. Re-add your preferred promo. After that, you can also re-enter the promo code exactly, no spaces or typos to try fixing it once again. So just type in this field and, for example, enter your promo code, then claim it. This one will be, of course, wrong. And that's pretty much it, except for the last fix. All right, so you go to your app settings and you go clear cache. Just clear the cache for the app. You can also force stop it. And now you can reopen the app and make sure to check out the same section of the promo codes and see if it works or not. Guys, enjoy the tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out. Enjoy. See you next time.